If you're looking to build a high-converting product sales page for your WooCommerce store, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional, optimized sales page using Elementor and the Shoptimizer theme. From setting up product variations in Swatches to adding personalization options and filters, I'll walk you through the entire process. And don't worry, we'll start at the beginning by choosing the right Elementor hosting plan for you so you have every single tool you need. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about why optimizing your product page is so important. Did you know that 75% of online shoppers judge your store credibility by your design? A slow, clunky page can lead to high bounce rates and fewer conversions, but a fast, user-friendly, and visually appealing page, that's what keeps customers engaged and ready to buy. By using Elementor and WooCommerce, you have full control on creating stunning, functional pages that load quick and convert better. To get started, head over to the link below to go to Elementor and choose your hosting plan. The Elementor eCommerce hosting plan offers all-in-one solution. You have fast WordPress hosting optimized for speed, you have built-in Elementor Pro for advanced design options, and a seamless WooCommerce integration. Once you selected your plan, you can set up your WordPress website using the Elementor hosting wizard. It's quick and beginner-friendly. Tip number 2, installing the Shoptimizer theme that comes with the Elementor eCommerce hosting plan. This is a lightweight WooCommerce theme designed for fast loading and high conversions. So go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance and Themes. Click Add New and search for Shoptimizer. Install and activate the theme. This theme pairs perfectly with Elementor for creating sleek, conversion-focused product pages. Now let's configure WooCommerce to showcase your product. In the WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce Settings and set up your store details, currency, shipping, taxes. Then you can add your first product. Under Products, add New. Include a product title, description, price, and images. You need a featured image and gallery images. Now we need to add essential features for high conversions. So you can add product variations and swatches, and to do that, you can drag and drop the WooCommerce product widget onto your page, customize the product gallery and description layout. For variations like sizes and colors, go to Product, Attributes in WooCommerce, create attributes and assign them to your product. Use the variation swatches plugin if needed, then turn drop-downs into clickable swatches. The next step is to add a filter and sorting options for your shop. Add a product filter widget to your sidebar or above the product list. Set filters for categories, price ranges, or product attributes. Enable sorting options like best-selling or price low to high. Another thing you can do is offer personalization fields. So if you offer customizable products such as engraved jewelry, personalized mugs, or sweatshirts, you can use a product such as WooCommerce product add-ons. You can add a text box or a drop-down field for personalization directly on the product page. Another great thing you can do is optimize for speed and mobile. Mobile optimization is critical since 60% of online shopping happens on mobile devices. So you can switch to responsive mode in Elementor to adjust your design for tablets and mobile. Step number 7 for a great product page with high conversions is to add trust signals. These build trust and credibility. So you can do customer reviews, you can use the WooCommerce reviews widgets to showcase testimonials. You can add security badges, add icons for secure checkout, fast shipping, or money-back guarantees. Urgency, use the countdown timer widget to display limited time offers. Now it's time to publish your page. Once you're happy with your design, you can click publish and your page will now be live. So congratulations, you just built a high converting product sales page with Elementor using Elementor and WooCommerce. Now here are a few bonus tips so you can see which things convert best. You can test your pages so you can use different layouts or headlines to see which converts best. Next, you can optimize for SEO. This is very important. So you can add meta descriptions, alt tags for images, and keywords to your page. And then the next thing you can do is leverage upsells and cross sells. So you can use widgets to recommend recommend related product or product bundles on your product page under the main product or during the checkout or in the cart page. You can add things like, would you also want this with this offer? Would you also be interested in this product? And so on. So there you have it. By using Elementor and the Shoptimizer theme and a few simple tools, you've just designed a product page that is meant to convert.